yeah, so the spot, it's never really crowded at this side because there are some sketchy rocks and you can definitely fall and hit them, you know. But it's actually one of my favorite spots in this area for that. It's really good for your surfing. You have to be like really on point. You have to surf this wave really well to get a couple turns, especially at this side. And if you time it right, you can really get out there and get a couple fun ones. As you can see, all the coops in Beginner Bay are all over there, you know. That's where the sand is. That's where it's there's a little bit of rock in there, but it's not as shallow and it feeds into the sand. Over here, it's like a bunch of jagged rock. If you fall, you can definitely fall and hit the rock. And it's just a much harder wave to surf. But it can be really fun. Oh, set! Set! Ooh, epic set! Boogie board! Oh man. See, there you go. There's one. But yeah. Weird swell. Weird swell. This whole swell was weird for the last 3 or 4 days. There was like a 23 second on the water one day. It was like a tiny 23. Actually got some little barrels at Santana. And then there was like an 18 or 19, but it was like from a really weird direction. Almost unsurfable at the beach break, you know, dodging sets. That's how it is at the beach break. This morning was fun. This was the last day of the set as well. It's actually, you can tell even when we got here, it was dying. But that's surfing. Caught a couple fun ones, had a good time. Surfed alone in Popoyo. That's just the way it is. It's beautiful here. Bravida. Go again. Sedicus maximus. Yeah, that's what a set that I like. 5 wave set. On the rocks. on the rocks. Dang, that's that still going. Like 10 waves. I like that. 2 waves, that's that. Go, Jen, go! Damn. Still going. That was like a 10 wave set, 12 wave set. What? What? Hey, shit happens. I saw you go for the biggest one of the fucking set. I saw your board go flying. Come back to us.